Hey guys, what's up? This is Jeff Geronimo and thank you for watching this video. I know it's been a while and right now, currently, kakauwi lang natin from school. Ay, sabihin ko school. Hindi. Kakauwi ko lang straight from work and actually, I've been contemplating about this one over the past few weeks, no? Kasi nga, all of you guys, I appreciate your comments, your compliments sa ating mga videos back then. So, hindi pa tayo nakakapag-upload ng new video ulit. Kaya, sabi ko, ano ba yung pwede kong gawin to fit sa schedules natin ngayon sa work? So, ito. So, right now, I'm thinking of breaking down some of my photos for you guys live. So, currently, we're in our Instagram and pipili tayo dito ng photo. I-breakdown lang natin ano yung concept, ano yung mga ginamit ko, ano yung editing style na ginawa ko, para lang din magkaroon kayo ng idea paano siya nangyari. So, that's all for our video for today and I hope na medyo may mga matutunan kayo and may mga pinaghahanda na akong content. Hopefully, magawa natin siya. Pinag-aaralan ko lang ngayon kung paano ko siya i-deliver sa inyo. And also, live update lang, meron tayong mga future talks for a company. So, gaganapin siya sa October 27. So, online workshop lang siya. And also on November, I forgot the date, but that's for FEU Tech. Thank you, Sol, for inviting me again. So doon, what we will talk about is about freelancing and brand identity. So let's go here in my Instagram page. So namimili lang ako. Also, if you want to have something na ma-breakdown natin sa ating Instagram, pwede nyong i-comment or i-check yung ating Instagram account at mag-comment lang kayo doon. Sana ma-breakdown natin to next time. Okay, so let's see here. So let's try this one. So for our first photo for this video, let's try siguro 2 to 3 photos per video, no? Para naman hindi sayang yung pagpapanood nyo dito sa aking video. So this one, so I've shot this in Boracay during our travel with our friends. And actually, pag pumunta ka sa Boracay, ang daming scenic places na pwede nyong pagkuhanan ng landscape photos nyo or even travel photos. But again, the challenge is somehow paano kayo magkakaroon ng photo na medyo unique, okay? So, yung mga unique photos, sabi nga ni Sir Edwin, one of our mentors, na sometimes yung mga unique photos, kapag print and binibenta sa market, is somehow hindi yun yung mga nagpipick up. Usually, yung mga classics pa din. So, yung mga usual shots pa din yung kumikita. But again, there's no harm in trying or applying your art in your photo. So, eto, during our visit there, nakita ko yung mga mostly photographed places. But again, I challenged myself na somehow mag-ikot, maghanap, maging playful yung mata para makakita ng somehow Boracay pa rin yung feels but merong touch ng vision ni Jeff, which is me. Okay? So, eto. Usually kasi, short story back then, kapag nag-drawing ako sa mga poster making contest, madalas kong dinadrawing is isla, coconut tree, mountain, then arrow sa likod, tapos mga ibon. Okay? Clear blue sky. Yun yung dinadrawing ko. Yun yung usual inspiration ko. Why? There's a reason behind it. Si Papa, mahilig mag-drawing ng ganong scenery. So, what I'm thinking that day is, I want to capture that exact picture or exact scene na ginagawa ko nung bata ako. But again, in real life. Hindi siya drawing, hindi siya painting, photo siya. And ayun, nakita ko yun. So, maganda yung place. Yung coconut tree, well balanced sa kabila. Yung sinag ng araw, since medyo pahapon na nun, maganda din yung tama. Yung sky, hindi dull. Okay, wala akong inedit na sky dito. Hindi dull yung sky nung time na yon. So, maganda yung spread ng sky maganda yung spread ng clouds dun sa sky. Yung sky is rich blue talaga, as in. Then syempre yung white sand and also the color of the water, okay din. Although, dito, kung mapapansin nyo, yung photo na to, medyo naging yellow yung sand, no? So, I'll explain later. So, that's the backstory of this photo. So, again, kung mapapansin nyo, sometimes I shoot photos kung ano na yung nangyayari. But sometimes, I also shoot photos na meron vision talaga behind it kung bakit ko siya gusto kunin. Merong story behind it kung bakit ko siya gustong kunin. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, yung story na yon, medyo may summary lang din ako sa caption ko. So that's the reason why hindi ako minsan nahihirapan mag-caption. Kapag napansin nyo yung Instagram ko, one-liner lang yung caption. Nakita ko lang sa somewhere else and na-inspire lang ako, kaya ako siya sinut. Pero may mga times na ganito, mahaba ako mag-caption kasi may inspiration behind it. Okay, so ano yung mga equipment na ginamit ko? So I have my EOS R back then. And also, I have my tripod, which is bigay din ni Sir Edwin. Carbon tripod siya, so magaan. Then, we have our RF 24 to 105mm, which is this one. My trusty lens. So, nung binili ko yung R ko, ito yung binili ko lang, sabi ni Sir Edwin. And actually, my genre of photography, sakop na nito. 24 to 105 f4. I rarely shoot bokeh shoots. So I usually shoot travel, landscape, product, interior photos. Somehow most of them use above f4 aperture. Okay? So yun. So we have EOS R and RF 24 to 105mm. So the settings for this one, if I can remember, is I usually shoot f8 to f11, but this one is shot at f16 since I don't have my ND filters back then. I forgot the ND filter dito sa desk mismo na to, and umalis kami, na-realize ko lang wala akong ND filter. CPL lang yung dala ko. So, CPL na nakakabit pa noon sa RF50mm ko. So, no choice, I need to shoot it at a higher aperture. Again, okay lang naman, though may technique akong ginawa para hindi mag-over-expose yung photo ko. Hindi to one-shot photo. So, nag-exposure blending ako. So, I shot four photos for this one, focusing at the boat in front of me, na meron nakalagay na Boracay para lang merong setting up the mood or setting up the scene. Then, in-exposure blend ko na lang siya. So, I took a photo with the right amount of exposure sa sand, may right amount exposure sa puno, may right amount exposure sa tubig, and also may right exposure sa aking sky. I also took, lima pala siya, I also took a separate shot of the sun para lang din meron akong backup. So, again, para lang akong light painting sa post-production kapag inedit ko na siya. So, yun. So, I took a lot of photos for this scene just to have the right exposure ng buong frame na to. Okay, that's the technique. And also, kung mapapansin nyo, pag nag-shoot kayo ng against the light, no, hindi kayo magkakaroon ng right exposure lalo dito sa in front of your frame. I mean, dito sa pinakababa, yung boat, yan. Minsan, kumbaga, sobrang dilim na yan. Okay? So, I took a right exposure shot na hindi naman sobrang unrealistic na sobrang tamang exposure siya. So, real pa rin. Okay? So, yun. I took 5 photos. Sa post-editing, I did exposure blending. So, paano ba nangyayari yon? Simply, you took your base shot, then lagay lang kayo sa ibabaw ng layer na yon, then mask it kung ano lang yung mga gusto nyo pakita, then so on and so forth, repeat. Then, after that, I did some color retouching. I didn't color grade this one. I just boosted the blues of this one and also the yellows of this one. Why? Since yung araw natin tumatama sa sand, although white siya, nagkakaroon ng color cast pa rin, no? So, ayun. Yun yung gusto kong ma-achieve sa photo na to. Okay, so I think medyo mahaba mag-explain ng isang photo, no? Sabi ko sa inyo kanina, 2 to 3. But I think masyado siya mahaba if i-explore natin yung 2 or 3 photo. But again, we will have this session from time to time. I don't know if we will do it usually on Friday night or Friday upload. So let me know in the comment section since this is just an exploratory content that you might want in the future. So ayan. So we will check more photos in my Instagram account. So just check my Instagram at @thejeffgeronimo and let me know kung ano yung mga photos na gusto nyo i-breakdown doon. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you've learned something sa ating breakdown and see you on our next one. So I think that's it. Nakalimutan ko na yung ending ko sa sobrang tagal. So wait lang. Ano ba yung ending ko? So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, click the like and share button. And also, if you want to support this channel and me creating more contents in the future, don't forget to, may buy me a coffee site link pala ako dyan. You can donate there. And also, you can join in my membership. So, I hope na makapag-provide pa ako ng more value sa inyo in the future. So, thank you guys. See you on my next one. Bye. Peace.